Hello, cruise lover. If you are getting off the NCL Bliss at the Port of Los Angeles and want to avoid confusion, long waits, or delays, this is exactly what to expect step by step. I'll show you what the process actually looks like and what helped us get off faster, so you know what to do when it's your turn. If this is helpful, subscribe for step-by-step guidance like this so you can feel calm, prepared, and confident every time you cruise. I'm Sadie. My husband and I have been cruising for almost 30 years. We still love it, and it keeps our relationship smoking hot. I help you know exactly what to expect from real experience so you can plan ahead and enjoy your cruise from day one. This is what disembarkation morning looked like for us. We came up to the Garden Cafe on deck 16 around 5:40 in the morning, and even though it officially opens at 6, they were already letting people in. And this is where the day starts to feel different. This was our last breakfast on board. Our vacation was coming to an end. But before you even get to this morning, there's something important that happens the day before. The day before, they ask you to place your suitcase outside your stateroom no later than 9 p.m. with your color tag attached. This is how your full-size luggage gets off the ship without you having to carry it the next day. They also remind you to keep a small overnight bag with your essentials and your travel documents. Each bag gets a color tag, and those tags tell you when you are scheduled to leave the ship. They provide a disembarkation program with your group details and timing. On the back, you will see your estimated call time based on your color. For us, we were yellow, which meant we were scheduled to get off around 8 in the morning. On disembarkation day, you will need to vacate your stateroom by 8:30 in the morning. What helped us get off the ship faster without the stress is that we packed our luggage and put it out as soon as we could, had an early dinner around 5 p.m., and then went to bed early so we could wake up rested and ready. That way, we were able to enjoy our last night on the ship without the stress, knowing everything was already taken care of. On disembarkation morning, we actually saw several cabin doors still decorated around 8 a.m., and that can turn into a very stressful situation, having to take everything down, get breakfast, and be ready to leave on time. If you have a flight to catch or a scheduled tour in Los Angeles after you get off the ship, that time can go very fast, and you can easily ruin your day by not being prepared. It is worth taking a few minutes to read through your program the day before so you understand your timing and what to expect. So when your group is called, you are not rushing or guessing. You already know exactly what to do and where to go. Once your group is called, this is where you start making your way off the ship. You will see people heading in the same direction, and it becomes very easy to follow. Along the way, there are signs that guide you as you move through the ship, so you always know you are going the right way.
It's yellow. You see?
So there we go. You turn into different hallways and go through the Manhattan room as you continue moving. We never came here, huh?
We did.
No, we didn't eat here.
No, we didn't eat here. We came here.
We never ate here.
Oh, we never ate here.
That's what I mean by we never came here.
On the stairs here by themselves. I'm like, where's your parents?
Let's let like the accountability.
You ask for a booth, you're gonna have to sit over there.
Oh, yeah. No, can you imagine how long the service is going to take here?
Yeah.
People were calm and ready to go home. Maybe because it was early in the morning. And even though it looks crowded, it actually moves pretty fast. We were in the second group with the yellow tags out at 8 a.m., but we were already in line and moving around 7:30. Everything is set up so smoothly, so you can keep moving without having to figure anything out. This whole disembarkation process was a fast exit with no stress.
Your policy and they're all go and I said, well,
This is where we came in. Number 7. Before you get off the ship, make sure you have your room key card ready, because that is what you will use to check out. After that final scan, you just continue walking through the gangway as you make your way off the ship. This is what helps you get off the NCL Bliss faster. Everything you prepared the day before pays off here, so you keep moving without delays and without the stress. At the time we disembarked, there were signs saying passports were not needed, and they were using facial recognition for the exit. From here, you just keep going, and this leads you right into the next part of the process. You okay? So this is yellow. This is where you pick up your luggage. Everything is organized by color. Go straight to your section. If you need help, porters in yellow vests are there. Have tip ready. Once you have your luggage, just follow the signs outside. Everything is clearly marked, whether you are heading to parking, airport transfers, tours, or being picked up like us. I'm showing you this step by step so you can become familiar with the area before you get here, so the process feels smooth and easy as you head to your next destination. This is the passenger loading area where you wait for your ride. You will see people getting picked up, loading luggage, and leaving pretty quickly. From here, it's just a matter of meeting your ride and getting ready to head out.
There you go. Can't see your eyes.
You can see my eyes.
Oh, there. Okay, I can see your eyes now. Oh, there you go. You have to go like
I
this.
want to make sure that my husband knows where we are parked.
Oh, yeah.
So it was very smooth. It was very smooth disembarkation. Very smooth disembarkation. So there's nothing to it. Well, I'll explain on the video. Very smooth. So it took about 30 minutes from the time we went to our deck 7, I believe. It only took 30 minutes from the time we started going to here, disembarkation line. Very smooth. So there you have it. Okay.
Here you will see the transfer buses for people heading to the airport, others taking excursions to explore Los Angeles, and maybe others who decided to stay a few days in LA after the excursions and extend their vacation.
Okay, I just picked you guys up here, right?
Yep.
Again, so this is just kind of showing you the way out. Parking, return, exit. Yeah, just straight out. Here's a curve.
That's the parking area.
Yeah, it's a parking if you left your vehicle here.
Has this video helped you feel more prepared for your cruise? It was a very smooth disembarkation process. Hi, baby boy. Hi.
All right.
Hi.
Yeah, so I'm just going to go straight here. If you go off to the right, it's a sign for Uber pickup. No need for me to go that way. Just stay straight.
Exit. It says 110 freeway ahead.
Yeah, so when you come here, you could go straight, or you could make a left turn, but either way is going to get you to out of the terminal here. Either way, it's going to end up in the same spot.
By following along in this step-by-step NCL Bliss disembarkation guide, you've seen exactly what to expect. From preparing the day before, starting your day with a delicious breakfast, picking up your luggage, getting off the ship smooth and easy, to making your way out of the terminal. Now you know what to do and how to move through it calmly, without confusion, delays, or rushing at the end of your cruise, so you don't get home tired or stressed, but instead relax and calm. If this video gave you clarity and helped you feel more prepared, say hello in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Make sure you watch the next video so you know what to do and be ready for your next cruise. Remember, live life on purpose and fulfilled.
So here's the beginning. Here's the 110 freeway north if you need to get on the freeway.
Muchas gracias por visitar nuestro canal You Too Can Cruise. Thank you so much for visiting our channel, You Too Can Cruise. Click here to subscribe in case you haven't. These are recommended videos that I selected just for you. If you want to learn more, come back for more.